Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets finished up lower yesterday and they're lower again this morning. Still a concern though with the cash soybean meal. Even though we are lower yesterday and we are lower this morning, there still is some really, or if not record high basis over in the eastern Midwest as far as the cash soybean meal market goes. So until that's rectified, we might see these bounces lower end up getting bought or more short covering, sending the markets higher. So have to see how that pans out. As far as harvest progress goes, some really good progress has been made this week. Within the next 10 days or so, everything should nearly be wrapped up as far as harvest goes. So got a really good crop coming in right now, record large. So as soon as we get this cash soybean meal issue fixed in the eastern Midwest and down into the south, we'll probably see markets go back to trading just the purely fundamentals based on the large crop out there right now. Right now, I mean, the tight cash soybean meal is definitely a fundamental factor. Probably boosted a little higher than thought just due to pretty much some panic short covering based on that, but we'll have to see how it pans out moving forward. Right now, a lot of the rail cars, as we've discussed, have been moving oil as opposed to grains and oil seeds. So need to get some rail car space. That way we can get the areas that need the meal that they need, and therefore that will likely see the cash basis come down on the cash soybean meal market, and then go back to trading just the large crop fundamentals and see if that takes the market lower, where a lot of fundamentalists think it should be just based on the huge crop that we've got out there right now. So we'll definitely keep you updated here on the Wilkins Ag Wire. So have a great day, great weekend, and we will see you on Monday.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services, broker who provides research market commentary and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.